tasya heturvidya. Not understanding his purpose is ignorance. Not understanding this relationship of Brahma and Maya, that is universe, is ignorance. Brahmacharya pratisthayam virya labhaha. Celibacy establishes vigor gain. When celibacy is established and becomes the property of mind, there gains vigor. The vigor is a final product in the process of metabolism. The food consumed is digested to enzymes and to blood, and then to tissues, then to fat, then to bones, then to muscles, and finally semen. Semen is vigor and must not be wasted. Semen is produced after vigorous efforts, and semen, when wasted, loses vigor. Also, the bravery, mental and physical health. Vigorous are brave, peaceful, intelligent and wise. Aparigrahastharye Janma Kathanta Sambodaha. Non-collection, stability, purpose of living, understanding. Aparigraha is not accepting gifts, rewards and wealth, as well as not collecting wealth. The afflictions like ignorance, attachment, aversion are all parigraha. To reject them, aparigraha. This gives self-realization. Shauchat swang jujupsa paraira sansargaha. On cleaning self organs removes disgust from others' infection. Purification and cleanliness removes disgust with body organs and contaminations due to contact with others. Different organs must be cleaned to avoid sickness, disgust, diseases, bad organism, contamination. Shaucha awards healthy life. सत्व शुद्धि सौमनस्य एकाग्र ये इंद्रिय जयात्म दर्शन योग्य त्वानिच. Purity of chitta, purity of mind, concentration, control on senses shows competence in introspection. When cleaning and purification becomes the purity of mind, it is followed by purification of mind, body and intense concentration, firm control on sensory organs. The competency in self-realization is achieved by inside-out cleaning and purification, that is shaucha. Santoshadanuttam sukhalabha. Contention is the best gain of bliss. Contention is bliss. When the lust and craving are lost, peace and contention stabilizes. Kayendriya siddhira shuddhi kshayat tapasaha. Penance purifies body and organs for ability and impurity. Penance purifies body and organs due to painful tasks. Gold is purified more and more, it is burnt in fire. Swadhyayadi Ishtadevata Samprayogaha. Self-learning with guided principle is a self-experimenting. Self-learning awakens the inner voice and inner guiding principle. Because to learn, you are to be the disciple of your own. Samadhi, Siddhirishwar, Pranidhanath. Total absorption and attainment by only worship of Ishwar. Samadhi, the total absorption to divine essence, can mature only by worship to Ishwar. Ishwar is intelligence. Sthira Sukhamasanam, comfortable and stable sitting. Comfortable and stable is the only place of sitting. Sitting can be made in various postures. The sittings are different on different occasions. While exercising, breathing, meditating, concentrating, the postures are accordingly. The sitting like Padmasan, Virasan, Siddhasan, Vajrasan, Saralasan, Mulabandha, Udyan Bandha, Mudra, etc. must attain comfortable position and stable. Same is for anything while working, running, fighting, riding, climbing, reading was in comfortable position.